Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla is returning to Earth. Indian astronaut Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla is set to undock from the International Space Station after concluding an 18-day mission that has captured the imagination of the nation. Shukla, the first Indian astronaut to visit the ISS, or the International Space Station, and only the second Indian in space after Rakesh Sharma, will depart alongside the multinational Axiom 4 crew aboard SpaceX Dragon spacecraft at approximately 4:30 in the evening. The undocking procedure began with hatch closure around 2 in the afternoon, followed by the crew entering the spacecraft. The spacecraft expected to splash down in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of California at around 3 p.m. on Tuesday on July 15th. The return journey, lasting about 22 hours, will be broadcast live by NASA and covered by Axiom Space and SpaceX.
It has been an incredible journey. I did not imagine all this when I started on Falcon 9 on 25th. And I think it has been made amazing or incredible because of the people who are involved. The team that is standing behind me, you guys have made it really special for us being here on the station. And it was an incredible joy to be here and working alongside with a bunch of professionals like you. With the past 2.5 weeks or so, we have done a lot of science on the station. We have done outreach activities and also looked back at the Earth. Whatever time we found, we were always looking out the window. And it almost seems magical to me. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank my country and all their citizens for supporting this mission and me with all their hearts.
ऊपर से भारत कैसा दिखता है आपको?
जी मैं बगैर किसी झिझक के कह सकता हूँ कि सारे जहां से अच्छा।
आज का भारत स्पेस से महत्वाकांक्षी दिखता है। आज का भारत निडर दिखता है। आज का भारत कॉन्फिडेंट दिखता है। आज का भारत गर्व से पूर्ण दिखता है। और इन्हीं सब कारणों की वजह से मैं एक बार फिर से कह सकता हूँ कि आज का भारत अभी भी सारे जहां से अच्छा दिखता है।
My colleague Akshita explains the undocking of the Dragon capsule from the International Space Station. Listen in.
It's a 22-hour-long journey, essentially, for Group Captain Shukla and the rest of the Axiom 4 crew. Very technical, very challenging. I'll just explain to you how really it works. Once you have, in fact, the undocking happening, where the Dragon capsule separates from the International Space Station, you will then see it moving away. This is completely, by the way, an automated process controlled by Houston. So you'll see the undocking happen and then the hatch closing right after that. Once that happens, what you're going to see is, and I don't know if our viewers remember, but when the docking actually happened, you had it essentially chasing, the Dragon capsule chasing the International Space Station. Now it'll be, in a way, reverse, and that's what we've shown for you. As the International Space Station continues in its orbit, you'll see the Dragon capsule going the other way, getting closer and closer to its destination. Right after that, you will see a trunk, which is part of the capsule, separating. And this means that the capsule now will be on its own on a journey all alone back to planet Earth. Once the nose cone is closed, because you have the trunk being removed, then it'll start the descent. The descent is very controlled, and this is perhaps one of the most challenging parts of the entire mission, because the parachutes have to be deployed at just the right moment, and you have to ensure controlled descent, because otherwise full speed, you can only imagine what will happen to the crew then. It happens at an exact location that's been chosen right now by, in fact, those who are part of the AX4 mission, Axiom, NASA. All of them have picked a location in the Pacific Ocean. You'll have splashdown happening at one specific location there. Boats will be waiting for the splashdown to happen. 1 hour after that is when the hatches will be opened and the astronauts will be allowed out. This is the entire 22-hour process. Today, Indian Standard Time, of course, post 4 p.m. is when the undocking will happen. And then the day after 22 hours at about 3 p.m. is when splashdown will occur in the Pacific Ocean. It's going to be a sight to watch out for. The entire process, of course, hugely intriguing, which we'll be tracking live here. But that splashdown is the moment you know that it's been a successful mission.
Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara. These iconic words, first heard in space from Rakesh Sharma in 1984, were once again echoed by our nation's pride, Shubhanshu Shukla, during his farewell aboard the International Space Station. Here's a look at what the world is awaiting, how the world is awaiting the return of the Axiom 4 crew to Earth.
आज का भारत अभी भी सारे जहां से अच्छा दिखता है.
Astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla paying tribute to India from space while bidding farewell to the International Space Station ahead of the undocking session of the Dragon capsule. The second Indian in space is embarking on the last leg of his stellar journey, repeating the iconic words of the first Indian in space, Rakesh Sharma, paying tribute to an ambitious, fearless, confident and proud India.
With the past 2.5 weeks or so, we have done a lot of science on the station. We have done outreach activities and also looked back at the Earth. Whatever time we found, we were always looking out the window, and it almost seems magical to me. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank my country and all their citizens for supporting this mission and me with all their hearts. And I would like to thank ISRO for making this happen. I would also like to thank NASA and its international partners, Axiom Space, SpaceX.
During his over 2-week-long stay, Shukla set new benchmarks in space research. From food diplomacy to science supremacy, Group Captain Shukla conducted breakthrough experiments on the ISS.
पहला एक्सपेरिमेंट जो मैं करने वाला हूं, जो कि आज ही के दिन में शेड्यूल्ड है, वो है स्टेम सेल्स के ऊपर. सो अंतरिक्ष में आने से क्या होता है कि ग्रेविटी चूंकि एब्सेंट होती है तो लोड खत्म हो जाता है, तो मसल लॉस होता है. जो दूसरा एक्सपेरिमेंट है वो माइक्रोएल्गी की ग्रोथ के ऊपर. ये माइक्रोएल्गी बहुत छोटे होते हैं लेकिन बहुत न्यूट्रिशियस होते हैं.
Earlier in his interaction with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Shukla gushed over गाजर का हलवा.
आप जो गाजर का हलवा ले गए हैं, क्या उससे अपने साथियों को खिलाया?
जी प्रधानमंत्री जी, ये कुछ चीजें मैं अपने देश की खाने की लेके आया था, जैसे गाजर का हलवा, मूंग दाल का हलवा और आमरस. और मैं चाहता था कि ये बाकी भी जो मेरे साथी हैं, बाकी देशों से जो आए हैं, वो भी इसका स्वाद लें और चखें, जो भारत का जो रिच culinary हमारा जो हेरिटेज है उसका एक्सपीरियंस ले.
As Captain Shukla gets earthbound, he has scripted India's proudest chapter in human spaceflight.
आज का भारत स्पेस से महत्वाकांक्षी दिखता है. आज का भारत निडर दिखता है. आज का भारत कॉन्फिडेंट दिखता है. आज का भारत गर्व से पूर्ण दिखता है. और इन्हीं सब कारणों की वजह से मैं एक बार फिर से कह सकता हूं कि आज का भारत अभी भी सारे जहां से अच्छा दिखता है.
Shukla not just reached for the stars, but brought India closer to them. Bureau Report, India Today.